Have you ever wondered how many Americans maintain their fitness without resorting to extreme diets or spending countless hours at the gym? The key lies in a set of straightforward principles that prioritize movement, nutrition, and enjoyment. Let's dive into these 5 effective fitness secrets you can start applying right now. First and foremost, the most successful individuals embrace daily movement without excuses. This doesn't mean they must spend hours exercising. Rather, they seamlessly integrate movement into their lives. Imagine a typical day where walking to work or taking a cycle ride becomes second nature. Even simple tasks like standing more often throughout the day contribute significantly to their overall activity levels, creating a lifestyle rich in movement. Next, they focus on eating smart rather than drastically cutting calories. It's not about depriving oneself. It's about creating a balanced diet filled with whole foods and protein-rich snacks. Picture your plate adorned with vibrant vegetables, lean proteins, and satisfying portions that fuel the body rather than holding it back. Eating smart is a lifestyle choice that fosters energy and is more sustainable than extreme dieting. The third secret is a commitment to morning workouts. Waking up early to exercise sets a positive tone for the day ahead. This practice provides them with energy, enhances focus, and ensures consistency throughout their daily routines. Visualize starting your day with a refreshing workout, leaving you invigorated and ready to tackle the challenges that lie ahead. Winning the morning often translates to winning the entire day. Additionally, these fitness enthusiasts make their exercise routines fun. Rather than dreading workouts, they select activities that bring joy, like hiking in nature, swimming in the sun, or even engaging in dance workouts. The excitement of enjoyable movement helps to create lasting habits that keep them coming back for more. Envision a world where fitness feels less like a chore and more like an adventure. Lastly, consistency is paramount. It's not about achieving perfection or following a strict regimen. Instead, it's about committing to daily efforts that accumulate over time. Visualize small, incremental progress building up to significant results, reinforcing the idea that consistent action is more valuable than sporadic, intense workouts. Keep in mind that fitness isn't a punishment. It's a lifestyle that celebrates health and well-being. By starting small and remaining consistent, you pave the way for a future where fitness becomes an effortless part of your life. Embrace these secrets, and your future self will undoubtedly express gratitude. Ready to level up? Share this journey with those around you.